It's a 2017 BMW X6. Its design conveys power. Its engine delivers. This sports activity coupe is built to lead. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, BMW online full-service internet access, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, My BMW remote, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo i6 engine. Car and Driver proclaims, a star in the rhombus-shaped segment, the weird but intimidating X6 continues to be a surprisingly delightful vehicle to drive. For unbeatable performance and unmatched style, drive a BMW. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.